What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be on Vechain, my fourth largest holding. These holdings are in order here, these first four anyways. CKB is, I have a decent amount of CKB, but I have large bags of ADA, XRP, HBAR, and Vechain. I have about the same amount of these two. I think Vechain is going to perform very well in this bull run. When it catches fire again, it will. If you got stuff like SHIB catching fire, Vechain can catch fire just as well later in this bull run. Different coins fire off at different points in time. So we're going to be covering Vechain in this video. If I cover the coins that you have, click subscribe, because we're going to be using indicators and we take a look at the charts a little different than some other channels, and I think we're going to be on top of exit strategies and profit taking later in this bull run. We're going to be on top of it. We are going to be looking constantly, watching, charting. It's going to be good. I think we're going to do very well in this category. A little tired today, so bear with me, but yeah, let's dive into, click my logo down here in the bottom right hand corner, click my logo, click subscribe, or click subscribe below, and let's dive into Vechain. I'm also going to be posting on Twitter exit strategies later in the bull run, so follow there. Vechain, the chart, I actually saw a great point made by CoinsKid in this charting for Vechain that basically, so I'm gonna cover a little bit more information, just a little bit different. My stuff, you know, how I'm gonna look at it's just a little bit different, but basically what we have here is, this is last summer, this triangle here, this triangle shape, last summer and last fall. In this triangle shape, we have this summer and this fall so far. You know, so that's what we're taking a look at here. But basically, what's going on is Elliott wave ABC correction here. That's what I'm seeing. So take a look here. You come to the top of the triangle. You have your A, B, C correction. Okay, let's draw in the other triangle now. You have your, at the top, you have your A, B, C. And you're at the bottom of the C right now. But as you can see, it's real small. I don't know if you can see it in here. You see the green, you see the 20 EMA curving up, making that cross on the daily. We'll zoom in there in a minute, but we have some positive outlook. That's it. That's a great sign for Vechain. What is my point with this? My point is after the ABC correction, look what happens when you come out. Boom. What do you think's coming for Vechain in quarter four and in this bull run when we can come up to this triangle? Or if it really drags out and consolidates and the bull run's later than everyone thinks, well, it's going to hit this apex anyways. This apex is around the end of the year, December 28th, it looks like. So right about the end of the year, it's going to make a move no matter what. And I believe it will be when it comes out of this ABC correction and it comes out of this triangle. It's going to be to the upside, not to the downside, because we have quarter four. Quarter four just started about 8-9 days ago in October. We were in quarter four. The metrics across the board look good. The market looks good as a whole. Bitcoin looks good. Everything looks good. The only concern is that it's so obvious that a bull run is on the horizon. It's almost too obvious and too easy. And there's a consensus across the board that that is what's going to happen. It's almost too obvious, but hey, we should still get the bull run either way. So see what happens. We'll continue to monitor that. Let us remove all drawings and see what else we can see here on Vechain. So let's reset the chart, zoom in a little bit here. So yeah, right here, great sign. We have the 20 about to come over the 55 right there, which is going to be a major buy signal because we are on the daily time frame. So very nice to see that. And it looks like, because of this sideways and this consolidation, it looks like currently right now, we might be right now breaking out of this pattern here, because you have this, let's do some trend lines here. You basically, you had this shoot up, and this is on the daily. So that's a good sign. We have this here, Real simple. There's been a lot of bull flags lately, and that's just what's going on in the market right now. Why so many coins have the same patterns is because the market moves in unison. I mean, everything follows Bitcoin and most stuff follows in unison. Yes, you have coins pop off like Solana and stuff like that, but yeah, you have a lot of bull flags going on right now in the crypto market. So what you can do is, and I've shown this in other videos, you're just going to measure where that breakout started. That's the flag pull. You're going to extrapolate that out. I believe because we are broken out of it already, we have the screen here. We are in a movement of a technical target, and it looks to be, this isn't going to be exact. It's hard to get all this lined up just perfectly, but it looks like, okay, looks like here is the breakout area. So it looks to be our technical target, 14.3 cents. So we'll see what happens. As long as Bitcoin holds support and Bitcoin doesn't dump or correct back, that's a technical target for Vechain right now, 14.3 cents. So that's very good to see. For all you Vechain holders, people who have decent sized bags, I will say the point of this channel, the goal of this channel, if you ride along with me, the goal of this channel is to make at least 6 figures in this bull run. Now, if you only have like $1,000 in your entire crypto portfolio, that's fine. You have to start somewhere. And if you don't have the money to invest right now, then that's fine also. It's just gonna take more patience and another bull run, another bear cycle, and another bull run to add to your position. But this channel is going to be, I think the bear cycle is going to be very exciting. When everything goes down, this channel's not shutting down anytime soon. This channel is going to be around for a while. The bear cycle is going to be exciting because the bear cycle is actually one of the times when you want to pay attention the most. That is where the riches are made, in the bear cycle, when everything is dumping and the fear is at 10 on the fear and greed index meter. I think we're in the 70s right now, like 77, something like that. Anyways, we're in greed right now again. Real quick, we were just in neutral a few days back, but yeah, just later, I'm talking like maybe next summer, if we're back in the bear cycle in 2022, everything's crashing, everything's down. That's going to be exciting because that's when when we are going to be re-entering into a lot of our positions on Vechain, HBAR, Algorand, XRP, all these coins in the bear cycle, and we're going to be getting them on major discounts, and that's what we're going to do on this channel, and then add to our bags. So if you can invest, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 before this bull run, or you already have a decent portfolio, you should do very well. Then we're really talking. Then you can make those 6-figure gains. We'll see what happens. If you can do even more than that, over 50,000, if you have a large portfolio, then yeah, I mean, everything should be looking good. So invest what you can, be smart. This is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment, educational purposes on what I'm seeing on the charts, what I think's going on. So that's my insight on that. Let us go to, there's the technical target, 14.3. We really don't, there's really nothing else to say on Vechain right now. That's if it holds these support levels. It looks like, yeah, this wick, I'll drop a line in right there. That wick looks like it's hitting the same exact resistance when it came back down as this candle body, these 3 candle bodies. So there is some resistance at 12.2 cents. You need to break through that. Maybe back test it, and then move up. We'll see. This technical target is only valid if we keep our support levels and we don't fall back down. Like, you have this level here that looked to be resistance in the past. Yeah, you could fall back down there. There's a lot of possibilities here, but as far as like what a trader would call, you do have a possibility of a technical target there. We are in October, we are in Q4. Will Bitcoin correct back down to like $50,000 and drag some stuff with it? Maybe. These charts are just guides. They're not perfect. So anyways, let's look at what Vechain just dropped the other day. Vechain partnered with the Anhui Tea Industry Association to accelerate development across Anhui in an area grossing $7.1 billion in tea trade. The project fits the government's aim to raise competitiveness, connecting Vechain to 670 enterprises. That is very cool story. And let's check this video out real quick. Here, check this out.
And this is Anhui. My name is Stefan, I'm from Tea Addicts, and our mission is to excite you for great and for real tea. We are in the town near Huangshan, and this is a famous region for Huangshan Maofeng. This is a variety of green tea we are looking for, and this is also one of those 10 mighty Chinese teas. This is a tea plantation which is organic, completely organic certified, and you can see that we have different plants and different varieties. On every corner you have different things growing wildly, and partially you have other things like trees.
So, very cool short little video on the tea trade. That landscape is crazy looking. It's just a beautiful landscape. China, I like China's history, and I like a lot of stuff about China. As far as the communism and the rest of China and all the FUD and all that, I'm not really a fan of that. We have at least 44 countries that have tuned into this channel. I've had like 70, 80 people out of Vietnam, like over 100 people out of South Korea on this channel. But guess what? Out of all those countries, guess who has never been on this channel, watching this channel? Nobody from China has watched this channel. Yet I have people from all around Southeast Asia tuning in besides China. That tells you something. So anyways, that's going to be about it on Vechain. They also posted the China Animal and Food Safety Alliance as part of a government initiative to enhance animal welfare and improve food standards. Vechain joined as the sole public blockchain provider offering technical support to more than 130 council members. So another cool thing posted on Twitter. Follow the Vechain Foundation. Follow me on Twitter. Real cool to see because Vechain is extremely ambitious. All news is good news. Good news is good news. Bad news is good news in a speculative crypto market for gains later. I like this project overall. I like Vechain, and that's going to be it for this video. We're going to keep it short and sweet, and we will catch you in the next video. Thank you to all the subscribers. I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the comments, the likes. Hit those buttons because it's going to help the algorithm, and YouTube will continue to recommend and share my videos to new people, which will grow Vechain's awareness even more, and it's going to snowball and compound. So that's where we're at. Anyways, we will see you in the next one. See ya.